Okay, so today I'm working on those two commercial units. This one right here is an English dryer, gas dryer, with a coin operated. Just to get a little bit of apart, but it's a coin operated, and basically the complaint is that it doesn't dry the clothes. And when I tested it for the first 15 minutes, it worked just fine, but then I noticed that the flame doesn't come on. So we'll be diagnosing that and looking for the issue, and also they want to change the coins, the amount of coins, so we'll be changing the amount for the use of the coins as everything goes up. Using the laundry is also going up. Okay, yeah, so diagnose the dryer with having a few issues here with the flame sensor and the coils, the solenoids. So we'll be ordering parts for this one, and here we already changed the washing machine to work on $2.25 instead of $1.25, and just gonna finish here on the dryer and we'll be done.